Hi everyone, in this marine this is where I start sailing, and this is the first boat that I sail with, and it's 42 feet long with the two masts, and it's self-built from scratch. So my friend Sylvia, she built it from scratch. It's incredible. And welcome back in my refitting videos where I'm refitting my Hallberg Rasmus. You're probably wondering why I'm sitting in the back of my boat. I'm wondering what I'm going to do here in the future. I have these gas cylinders located in the back of my boat, and that was something that it wasn't before. So this is custom made, and I really don't like that because I want to use this space as much as possible. There is something that I was looking for to do for a long time. That is to paint the third layer of my paint to the boards here. Also, it's difficult because I have to wait for 2-3 days to be able to come back and do something. When I will be ready with that, I can go ahead and mount everything together here. Well, I am done with the painting right now. It smells so bad, and you guys know that already. So I'm gonna get away as fast as possible. Hey guys, I just want to inform you that I'm gonna upload the videos every second week instead of every week. It's gonna be as always, Friday, 6 p.m. by Swedish time, 11 a.m. by Washington DC. I will be able to do more during those 2 weeks, and I have more time to edit the video. So yeah. I'm back after 2 days, and I feel very much. You know what I feel? Cold. It's so cold. It's -7, so it's like 90 Fahrenheit or something. Crazy, right? Yeah. Let's go to the boat. Whew. Yeah, that's done. Oh, it's cold. Finally, the winter arrived. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, it's dry. It's dry. Awesome. Now I can install the drawers. So let's do that. Ta-da! Now it's set up. Another thing that I want to do is to take this box that I made and place it here. That's something to do. So let's do that and plan next. With a little effort, I was able to place this one in. This piece almost, you will never see that. It's gonna be covered up by the drawer, which gonna slide in and out. It's just the box for, so I am able to place a drawer mechanism. It's just because of that. I can actually plan out the rest. Since my walls are ready and everything around is ready, I can finally place out my drawers and build my fronts. When I will be ready, hopefully in the nearest future with this part, I'm gonna start working with the fronts. Now for me the priority is to work with the galley and finish that. And I think I select the perfect time to do that in the winter, because in the summer and in the spring you really don't want to work inside. You want to go outside and do something outside. That's how we do. It's so much to think about, and time flies. I rather start planning really quickly and start doing something. I managed to place the frame here, and I also managed to place the box today, and I placed these spacers, and I also measure up everything with my drawer mechanism so it fits inside. Now I just let this one to cure, and I can come back after 2 days, and then I can go and cut the boards for my shelves and doors and start working with everything that I wanted to work for so long. I am back after 2 days, And this one is done. So this box is installed and this frame is on. I actually wrote down the things that I want to do on my boat. This is awesome idea. And I actually borrow it from the Sail Life. If you never see that guy, go and watch him. He's awesome. He's doing quite the same like me, only for sure he has more experience. So actually this is a really good idea. Here's the list that I'm like doing right now. There's done and there's like to-do list. You can see it's quite much to do. There's 27 papers written down what I want to do on my boat. Let's go quickly through that actually. It's nice to know what is my plans and what you can see in my videos in the future. I need to paint the boat from outside white, but that's in a spring. Install the drawers and shelves in a galley, which I'm going to do right now. Install the faucet, obviously. Solve the problem with the water tank. That's a huge problem, but I have some solutions for that. Put up my Finnish oak in a main cabin. So in this cabin I'm gonna put up the Finnish oak. Paint white in the main cabin. If it's not gonna be oak, it's gonna be painted white because I love white and it just brings so much light. Install the lights. Install the lights, it means all the lights inside the boat must be installed or changed. So there's gonna be LED lights and stuff like that. Install new distribution panels, so that's on progress right now. Do the rest of the wiring inside. That's all the wiring, like USB ports. Change the floor to the oak. So paint the ceilings from inside. I'm gonna paint these ceilings, finish up here and paint the ceilings. Install the lithium batteries, 5 pieces. I decided at the end, yeah, I know it's expensive, but I decided to go with the lithium batteries. Then I can save some weight and also it will be better, I think so. Install the new speakers and stereo, of course. Install inverter from 12 to 2000 watts. Yeah, that's quite important and I don't have it. Install the plotter, Garmin. Install the rudder, also Garmin. Install the front hatch, which I start, but now it's freezingly cold outside. It's literally -10. Right now it's -10. Crazy. Install the front anchor winch. That I'm gonna do in spring. Change all mattresses on boat. Install fuel cell, by the way, is a really good thing. I'm gonna talk about that when I gonna start doing that. I believe it's gonna give me so much electricity. Install the water maker. That's something to do. Install the wind self-steering. Change all chain plates. When I approached this boat, I realized they are in really bad shape. So relocate all the gas cylinders. That's something that I talked in the beginning of the video. Change the stairs on companionway. So yeah, these stairs suck. And I have so tons of other things that I didn't include here. But they obviously are things that I want to do. But that's going to be for next winter. Finger crossed that I'm going to do this year. As soon as it's going to be a little bit warmer outside, I can start working outside. These pieces will represent the shelf. This one going to be here, and this one going to be here. So let's see if it fits. And as I was expecting, it's not fitting. Let's try to fix that. Now I'm kind of finished with pre-cut the boards for my shelf. Now in my plan to adjust the sliding mechanism, with a little bit of adjustment I will manage to do that, I think. So first I'm gonna work with the sliding mechanism and then I'm gonna count how big the garbage box could be. So I managed to cut, so now it fits inside here, which is good. Now I took the measurements already So I have 50 centimeters deep, 25 centimeters wide, and 35 centimeters high. I think it's gonna be pretty decent. I know that these sliding mechanism is gonna rust after a while, but until that should be fine. The reason why it's rust is because it's irregular metal, which is not marine made. In a long term, I can change them again to the new ones, because I have a lot of them. I just like how they are opening. It's so easy. Okay, yesterday I made this garbage box. This middle part is removable, so I can divide. I think it's a cool feature to have. First test. It's so precise actually. It's like millimeters or something. Well, I realized that my box was a little bit too big. Well, it fit inside, but it's just like 3 millimeters. I think I'm gonna remove like 1 centimeter off, simply to have more space. Well, now it's almost done. Now just the screw places. Put the filler here and fill up, and some holes like this, and then I'm good to go. Looks pretty damn good, I think, for the garbage place. One thing that I want to mention is this awesome tool. It's a circle saw with a sliding guide, and it's just incredible. You can make anything. If you have this circle saw and if you have a sliding guide, you basically are set. I was able to make my garbage box today. Also, I was able to make the shelves and the frame. I already apply 1 layer of paint. Then I need just 2 layers more, and I can go ahead and place them up. I bought the material. Another thing that I want to do is the door fronts. Since I filmed this before, I'm not going to do that again. Simply, if you want to see how I did it, you can go back and see in my previous videos. But yeah, I have some couple hours to work today. Hopefully I'm going to make the drawer front, the small door, and 2 big doors. So, let's get back to the work. Yeah. Look at this, guys. I was able today to make 3 doors. I just need 1 more. It's gonna be a pretty small one. Already pre-cut everything, but I just don't have time. It's so late. It's 11 p.m. and I have to go home. But I managed to glue the frame for 1 door, and for the second, and for the third. Amazing, right? And now it's just let it cures, and I can come tomorrow and do the rest. Yeah, I hope you all have a great day or night, wherever you are. Hope you all see you in the next episode. Awesome! That's it, guys. Bye! I like to know